my name is Donna and I'm a face painter from Leeds. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a while now, but what's finally pushed me to do it is I've been receiving a few messages by other fellow face painters asking me questions maybe in regards to a product I've been using or a design that I've made. So I thought, why not start now, make YouTube videos and hopefully help and inspire other face painters out there. I have been thinking of doing reviews on products, business tips and tricks, tutorials and hopefully some competitions. So if it is something that you think you might be interested in, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course if you have any questions or if there's anything that you would like me to touch on or talk about, please comment below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.